Hello students, welcome to Sant Tukaram National Model School's YouTube channel and myself Mr. Abhilash Jadhav, and once again I welcome you to 5th standard science where we are studying about the two natural disasters, cyclones and floods. Dear students, already you may have watched 3 videos about the cyclones where we have studied what is meant by a cyclone, how do these cyclones forms, what are the different names of these cyclones, and what are the different parts of these cyclones. So we have a idea about the cyclones now it's time to learn or to discuss the impact of the cyclone on the life of the people and on the nature. So once again I have a picture of a cyclone for you in front of us. This is the cyclone, which is one of the deadliest natural disaster which can uproot the trees, which can kill the people and animals. The life of the people may get disturbed because of these natural disasters. So let us discuss the impact of the cyclone on us and on nature. Wind can cause up to 83% of the total damage of a storm. You know, the storm is not only the wind. Whenever there is the strong storm or the cyclone, it also brings the heavy rainfall also. But when if we divide these two things, the 83% of the damage is only caused due to the strong winds or strong wind speed which moves more than 155 miles per hour, at least at an average of 74 miles per hour. So 83% of the damage, total damage, is only caused because of the strong winds. When these cyclones reach the land, by the time they reach the land, they may break the things, whatever the things, many things, many different objects are there in which we use in our everyday life. These objects may get break down because of the strong winds of these cyclones. Sometimes these cyclones also can kill the people and can destroy the entire city, especially the coastal cities. In the last 200 years, my dear students, about 1.5 million people around the world have been killed by these cyclones. Because of these tropical cyclones, 1.5 million number of people have been killed. So you can imagine how destructive these cyclones can be. Then the next thing is that these cyclones, because of these cyclones, the flooding can also occur, and because of the flooding, that is also another natural disaster which can also lead to loss of lives and the damage of properties. So flooding can also occur when there is a lot of rainfall, and sometimes flooding also occurs because of the strong winds of the cyclone can push the sea water onto the ground or onto the land, and because of that also flooding can happen. So indirectly flooding happens because of the cyclone, either because of the rainfall or either because the winds they push the sea water towards the land. So flooding can happen and flooding can lead to further damage. Because of the cyclones, the trees gets uprooted, they may block the roads, roadways, railway networks, and it can stop the supply of the daily essential goods and services, because of which the life of the people can be stopped for a while. People may not able to get their everyday essentials during this time of the cyclone, and people can also lose their valuables, many valuable things what they have earned by their hard work throughout their life, the certificates of various their degrees, and even the other valuable things in terms of the jewelry and other valuable metals. So all these things these people can lose. Even the broken wreckage from the destroyed objects can deadly flying. These are the can become a deadly flying pieces. It can stuck or it can collide with anybody, and anybody can get injured. The injury may extend to the death also. So the cyclones are very deadliest. There is a possibility of the indirect deaths also because of the flooding and all those things. The germs will start growing, okay, and because of the germs, the spread of the germs and spread of the diseases may happen, and because of that also the people can suffer lots of disease through the lots of diseases and through the lots of health issues, and indirectly it can lead to the possible deaths of the people. So these all are the effects or the impact of the cyclone on our lives or on the lives of the people, especially those who live near the coastal areas. So here in this video, we'll stop here. In the next part of the video, we are going to discuss about the floods and the impact of the flood on us. Thank you so much.